incapable towards the husband, towards the duties, the husband takes a second wife, keeping the first one. And if it is vice versa, if the husband is incapable, what does the wife do?
The sister asks a question that if the wife is incapable due to certain physical reasons or medical reasons, then the husband can take a second wife and keep the first wife. What if the husband has certain problems, physical problems, and is incapable of doing the duties to the wife, then what does she do? Sister, in the first case, Islam gives permission for a man to have more than one wife. And in this case, there are two options, that if a wife has certain medical problems or she can handicap and she cannot satisfy the husband, then the option the husband has that either he divorces her and he takes a new wife, or he keeps the first wife and gives her all her rights and marries the second one. But natural, anyone would prefer that he keep the first wife just because she has got handicap or she had an accident and she cannot satisfy. It is preferable that he keeps her and gives her her rights and also marries the second one. In the other case, sister, where a husband has certain medical problems and if he gets handicapped or cannot give satisfaction to the wife, in this case, a wife cannot take two husbands because it is prohibited, as Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 23-24, that a woman cannot marry twice. So in this case, since polyandry is prohibited in Islam, a woman cannot have more than one husband. And there are various reasons which I've discussed in my cassettes on women's rights and in most common questions asked by non-Muslims, that if a wife takes more than one husband and if a child is born, you can identify who the mother is, but you won't be able to identify who the father is. And there are various other reasons why polyandry is not allowed. And the reason is that if the wife cannot get satisfaction from the husband, she yet has the right to seek divorce, to do nikah fask, or take kola from the husband and marry a new man. Islam gives permission. In this case, if you analyze as compared to the earlier case, in the earlier case, since man is a bread earner, it is preferably keep the wife who is handicapped or has certain problems and marry the new one and supports both of them. In the first case where the woman is handicapped, if the husband gives divorce, there are very little chances that she'll get a new husband. So it preferably keeps her and marries the second one and gives both of them equal rights. In the second case, where the husband has certain medical problems, become handicapped, she can very well seek divorce and yet marry someone new. Because she's healthy and she has no physical problems, etc., she can very well get a new husband. As for the man, if he cannot fulfill his duties, he can yet have some other servant kept for him, and both will lead a good life. So in the second case, it's not permitted for a wife to have two husbands, but she can very well seek divorce if she wants. But yet if she continues and gives the services, if she can, then she'll get more sawab. But if she cannot, she can very well do nikah fask and marry a new husband. Hope that answers the question, sister.